So manje ke unemali eningi ubhema ama drugs. Is it something you're doing maybe recreationally or manje you know you at some point you start feeling like hey, you know what, I'm now addicted?
So recreational I think it lasted about 3 years. Where it started ukuthi manje ngingasabi recreational. Bengithi mangikholile angisahambi nalomuntu kuwuye wazi uSneymani. Sekuya mina kuSneymani sengiyamshiya loya. Sekuyimi engikhuluma noSneymani manje ukuthi endoda ngifuna into engaka nengaka. So what happened is angithi ngiyasebenza. Seyicala manje affecta ini. I was this kid focused. Yabona into mangithi ngiyayenza. Benginama savings. Yabona bengazi ukuthi hayi ngoba ngikhola imali eningi at least 1000 rand ethi ngisave yabona. I chose ukuthi ngithi ngithenga ikara, khipha lo deposit leyo ikara yayenza izinto zabo wese. Ngoba manje ngintwana encane ngihamba ngeBM yabona kumnandi yabona necherry ngapha
nazo ziyancanywa manje.
Ziyancanywa manje. Inini ithola ukuthi Fridays angisebenzi yabona. Ngisebenza Monday to Thursday. Friday angisebenzi mina Thursday since ngihambile ngizobuya Sunday endlini. Yabona. Angilali sonke lesikhathi lesi ngoba nangapha nginama intakes wama drugs la yabona. Bacale bangise kuma disciplinary hearing in okay kube indaba ukuthi emfethu uthole rehab. Yabona because siyabona ukuthi khona into oyidlayo ukuthi iaffect umsebenzi wakho and I was like I don't need rehab because I've still got that picture ya Hotman Lam. Hotman Lam beliziyekela lezi belibhema liziyeke. Nami when I look at it I was not at the point ukuthi but nje I seem addicted yabona.